Welcome guys, in this video I am with the VIVO Y35 and I'm gonna show you camera pro mode in this smartphone. Okay, so to open the camera pro mode you have to go for the more modes and hit pro option. At the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon in the right upper corner. That's the preview of each function. That's great description. So for example, if you don't know what is going on with the shutter speed, as you can see, that's the great description of this parameter. Okay, and if you know what is going on right here, right now I'm going to focus on these parameters and I'm going to show you how we can control them. So at the first, when you tap in this place, we can find the exposure compensation. That's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually in the camera. We can set it up between +3 and -3. Next, we can set ISO between 3200 and 50. Also, we can reset by tapping right here to the automatic. Right here, we can find the shutter speed. We can set it up for 32 seconds. And also automatically. The next option we can find it's the white balance with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 presets, and right here we can set the temperature manually between these value. Click here to make it automatically. Next we can find the focus, so we can set up focus manually or automatically. So just take a look. When I'm gonna put it like that, everything will be out of the oh, never mind, I just skip it. So right now I'll get focus only on the objects close to my lenses. When I'm gonna put it like that, as you can see, everything is out of the focus. So to change it, you have to move the slider for this value. And right now when I'm gonna put it close to the phone, to the objects, it will be out of the focus. So we can make it also automatically. And when you tap right here, you are going to change the photo format. If you want to get more light on the photos, you can just enable the flashlight. It's right here in the left upper corner. And that's all for this video. That's all tips and tricks for the camera in the pro mode on the VIVO Y35. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.